Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we will be going to Beers and Gears, hosted by McLaren Charlotte, and this time we're going to be bringing my 2006 Scion TC. And I know I haven't shown off this vehicle really on this channel, so let's go take a quick walk around of it. So once again, this is my 2006 Scion TC. 5-speed manual transmission, 2AZ, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. Under the hood, it's completely stock besides for a DC Sports strut bar, which greatly helped how tied in the car felt. Otherwise, modifications, the XXR 530 wheels, got a Alpine head unit in here, so I got Apple CarPlay, and then back here I have a Apexi N1 axle back exhaust, and then otherwise it's completely stock, but it is straight piped, so I cut out the resonator. It does still have the cat, but it's a really fun car to drive. This is my first car learned manual on, and she's never let me down. We've replaced all of the suspension components, clutch, headlights, just routine maintenance stuff. The previous owner did a really good job showcasing it, or not showcasing, prepping it, taking care. But I love this thing. Yeah, it's not powerful, but it gets the job done. And we have made it here to Beers and Gears. We're here a little bit early, so let's go see what's already here. Let's go see what rolls up.
You look a little sleepy over there.
I'm emerged. I did.
Fucking being a crowd.
Oh, he's gonna do it, he's gonna send it. It's fair to have you. Everyone just meets in this room. Basically. Yes. It's my birthday, do a photo. He's gonna go for it.
Imagine a cop, dude. How fucked is that, that picture, that's that color. Yeah. That's all we're gonna get.
Well, Beers and Gears was fun until the cops came, but now we've made a pit stop once again here at McLaren Charlotte. Let's just go see what they got.
I like that green.
Alright everyone, well that's going to be it for today's video. Today was so much fun that this was one of the best shows I've ever been to, one of the craziest shows, and one of the sketchiest shows. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And on that note, I'm out. Ciao.